If the power went off tonight, how ready are you? Not for 3 weeks, not for a disaster film, just 24 hours. Could you charge your phone, keep food safe, and stay warm? See in the dark, contact family, and protect medication? Most people think they are prepared until the lights go out. A blackout is simple until it happens. Then small problems become urgent. Your phone battery drops. The fridge gets warmer. The freezer starts to thaw. The router stops working. The heating may fail. The house gets darker and stress goes up. So start with basics. First, colon light. Do not rely only on your phone torch. Have a proper torch. Spare batteries or rechargeable lights. Keep one near the bed and one near the door. Second, colon communications. Charge phones early. Keep a power bank ready to use. Save key numbers offline and have a simple plan for checking on family. Third, colon food safety. Keep the fridge closed. Keep the freezer closed. Know what needs using first and avoid opening doors just to check. Remember, cold air escapes quickly whenever the doors are opened. Fourth, heat. In winter, a power cut can become a comfort issue first, then a health issue. Layer clothing, close unused rooms, use blankets, and plan for vulnerable people. Fifth, colon water. In many homes, water may still work, but do not assume. Store some drinking water. Keep enough for people, pets, and medication needs. Sixth, medical needs. Think about medicines, medical devices, and mobility aids. And anyone who depends on powered equipment. That planning matters before the outage, not during it. Seventh, small business impact. If you work from home or run a small business, ask what stops first. Laptop, router, phone, payment system, alarm, or fridge. A blackout plan is business continuity in plain language. You do not need panic. You need priorities. Light, communication, water, food, heat, medicine, and a check-in plan. Write it down, keep it simple, and test it. A good question is, could your household manage one evening, one night and one morning without power? If not, fix the weak points first. Start small. Charge a power bank, buy 2 torches, store drinking water. Write key numbers down and agree who checks who. Preparedness is not fear. It is reducing stress before stress arrives. So ask yourself today, if the power went off tonight, what would fail first? Then fix that. Stay safe, stay ready.